Hello YouTube, welcome back to my 1086 series. I apologize for the break between videos. By the time you see this, my dad will have his tractor back already. In just a minute here you're going to find out why. Fortunately the shed doors are froze up tight, so this old girl's got to sit outside while the 10 is in the shop, but that is what it is. So, yeah. Thought I seen a cracked weld there, but I guess not. So anyways, so the reason that this video is coming out so much later is because, as you may or may not be able to see here, depending on your eyesight, we went ahead and decided to paint this tractor. Now, it's not a parade quality paint job by any means. We didn't sandblast the whole thing down or anything like that. We just put a good old honest farmer coat of paint on it. I've got some other videos that I'll be posting shortly after this one of the process, but our goal was not to restore the tractor, to make the tractor look like it was brand new, but to do something nice for my dad. He's had his 4010 or 4020 rather for quite a number of years, and he always talks about painting it, and I just knew. I just know it's probably never going to happen because he uses it all the time. And in order to paint it, he'd have to, stop using it for a while. And so I wanted to take the opportunity to do this for him, to do something nice for him before it got to the point where he was using this tractor and he didn't have time to do anything like this. So that's the reason you guys haven't seen the videos for a while. I wanted to surprise him with this, and he does watch my YouTube videos, so I didn't want to let the cat out of the bag, per se. So anyways, as you can see, we painted over the old filters and stuff like that. I still have to do a full service on the tractor. But today, since I've got the steps and stuff off on the driver's side, I'm going to start out by resealing that MCV. Getting that done so I can get the other battery box back on, get the steps back on, and do any touch-up painting that needs to be done there. I'll walk around to the other side here so you guys can see I do have the hood on the other side. Like I said, the decals aren't perfect, the paint's not perfect, but it's going to be really cool, and I'm really excited for him to see it. Actually, before this video even comes out, I'm probably going to try and record a reveal, see if I can get my mom to videotape it or something when we bring the tractor down to him, and kind of get his reaction and stuff like that. I'm really excited for that. So anyways, we're going to go ahead and do some more work here today, and we'll see how it turns out.